Alright gents, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And today, yes, as the slightly cringy clickbait title suggests, we're talking about the one thing, the only thing that I dislike about this 2019 Kawasaki ZX6R. I'm not going to make you wait 10 minutes just to find out what I'm talking about. So for me, the thing that just annoys me the most about the bike, the thing that just ruined everything else that's so amazing on it, is the seat. And you guys who watch a few of my videos know that I've already moaned about it quite a bit, but I just don't understand why they'd make such a nice bike, everything's so smooth, so slick, everything works perfectly, and then they just make the seat out of friggin' tarmac and some quartz mixed with concrete, and then it's just you know, just covered in a super thin layer of deceiving material, which is supposed to be foam. Like I get that it's a sports bike and everything, but it doesn't mean they have to make the seat uncomfortable. It can still be a sporty position and make the seat in the same design, but it can just be, I don't know, just have a bit of gel comfort in it or something. The annoying thing is they don't even do a gel comfort seat for this bike either. They do one for the 650, but they don't do a gel comfort seat for the 636. I don't know why. So you're just left with this rock that you have to sit on and try and ride for as long as you can before it just gets so uncomfortable that you just want to head home. Yeah, so you might have seen in some of my videos I literally had to put a cushion on the seat just so it was rideable. Because for long distance it just kills you. A bit of undertaking. Go. Yes. Ah, is it closed again? Is this permanently closed now? I know they closed it initially in lockdown. It's turned it into a pedestrian zone, but I didn't know it was a permanent thing. And that one's closed as well. So yeah, I mean, it's the only thing that I really don't like about this. Could have just made it a bit nicer. It's alright up to like an hour or so, and then after that it just gets numb. And also I'm aware that this isn't the only bike that's like that, but I don't get in general why they don't make them more comfortable. I'm sure just a few extra layers of foam wouldn't break the bank. But there you go, man. Have to get there. Go left here. See if that does anything. I don't even know where I'm going anymore. Whoa, check that building out, man. I don't even think I've seen that before. It's pretty cool. But yeah, aside from the seat, everything else on the bike is just epic, man. Super smooth, loads of power. It's actually really nice to ride on some proper twisty roads. Yeah, that's just the only thing. There is like a pad type thing you can get, which I've seen. Air Hawk, I think it's called. And that kind of goes on top of the seat and supposedly makes it more comfortable. But I'm yet to try it because it's like 100 and something pounds, so I might get that, try it out, and then do a full proper review. guys, that was that. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.